কোভিড নিয়ে মিটিংটা এত ক্যাজুয়াল, ইট ওয়াজ জাস্ট এ ক্যাজুয়াল সুপার ফ্লক মিটিং। We the chief ministers are feeling insulted and humiliated, and we are astonished to see that Prime Minister called a meeting and invited the chief ministers, and all the chief ministers were sitting just like puppet. Nobody is allowed to speak. Then how do we speak about the public demand? We never ask about the COVID vaccine. They never ask about the medicine position. They never ask about the oxygen position. They never ask about the remdesivir, the medicine, the urgent, what is not available in the market now. They didn't ask us for the black fungus, that new disease. এবং আমরা রিয়েলি লজ্জিত। সুতরাং আমি মনে করি কান্ট্রি ইজ ফেসিং very critical, passing through a very critical juncture where Prime Minister is very casual, and today the meeting is been proved that it is a super flop, a casual meeting. He wanted to get the publicity through some media, and that's why whatever he thinks, he expressed his opinion, but he didn't allow the other chief ministers of the state. There are so many chief ministers' name was enlisted. Bengal to Maharashtra to Kerala to so many, but nobody was allowed to speak what they think. Are we the bonded labor or are we the puppet? Only what the his master voice, their matter, and opposition is no matter. They have demolished the federal structure. They have forgotten the constitutional provisions. They have violated the COVID norms. They didn't allow us to speak how to control the COVID pandemic. The medicines are not available. The oxygens are not available. The remdesivir, this medicine is not available. The other thing is not available. And vaccine also, I do not know how long. If we accept his formula, then it may take 10 years to give vaccine to all. Then so many persons will die. Even you have seen so many young generations. We have to give vaccine to them. I have written a letter to Prime Minister so many times that please provide us vaccine. We want to give from 18 years. 18 years plus 45 years plus 60 years, all we want to give universal vaccine. Even if you give us the procurement for vaccine, then we may pay also. Because Bengal, we have already purchased 60 crores rupees the vaccine we advance for private purchasing. But sometimes it is not available. So where we will get? But we are not the bonded labor. We thought that what we wanted to speak the Prime Minister. It is nothing against of the government or nothing against of the particular person, but it is the demand of the people to help the people. It is poor people demand. That when he didn't allow, then all the chief minister must protest on this. এটা ওয়ান ওয়ে কমিউনিকেশনও হয়নি, এটা ওয়ান ওয়ে ইনসাল্টেশন হয়েছে, ওয়ান ওয়ে হিউমিলিয়েশন হয়েছে, ওয়ান নেশন অ্যান্ড অল হিউমিলিয়েশন। ওনারা বলেন না ওয়ান নেশন ওয়ান লিডার, উনি কাউকে বলতে দেবেন না ওয়ান नेशन एंड ऑल ह्यूमिलिएशन। लेकिन बात ये हुआ है कि आज ने जो किया है एक डिक्टेटरशिप से भी ज़्यादा है। इसे लगता है कि देश में मार्शल लॉ चल रहा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का मर्जी माफिक सब चलेगा, सब उसका बॉन्डेड लेबर है, कोई पॉलिटिकल कार्टिसी भी उनका नहीं है।
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.